Hi students, in this video we are going to learn an important question from quadratic equation. Look at the question. At t minutes past 2 pm, the time needed by the minute hand of a clock to show 3 pm. So that means from 2 pm to 3 pm, how many minutes are required? Means 60 minutes required. Now the question mentioned to us at t minutes past 2 pm. So after 2 pm, some t minutes are over already. Now still how many minutes are required to go to 3 pm they are asking. From 2 to 3 it's 60 minutes actually. Now 60 minus t minutes will be needed to go to the 3 o'clock. Now that was found to be 3 minutes less than t squared by 4. So this much minutes is needed to go to 3. Now that is equal to 3 minutes less than t squared by 4. So t squared by 4 minus 3. So 3 minutes less than, so you should take the minus 3. Now we need to solve this equation. Bring all the variable to one side, numbers to another side. This is 60 minus 3. If you bring it to this side, it will become a plus 3. Minus t if you take it to that side, that is a plus t now. T squared by 4 plus t. So minus t if you bring it to this side, plus t. Here you should take by 1. 60 plus 3, 63. Here we have to take the LCM. LCM is 4. 1 into t squared, 4 into t, 4t. Now the denominator 4 we have to take it to other side, that will become multiplication. So we can write 63 into 4 equal to t squared plus 4t. Now 63 into 4, 12, 25. So 252 is equal to t squared plus 4t. Now 252 bring it to that side, that will become minus t squared plus 4t minus 252 equal to 0. Now this quadratic equation we have to solve now. Now while you are multiplying 1 into 252, minus 252 is needed. While multiplying, minus 252 should come. While you are subtracting, 4 should come. So 18 14s are 252. So since minus is needed, one of the number should give the minus sign. Since plus 4 is needed for the addition, give the plus for the big number and minus for the small number. So since the first number is 1, so division of 1 doesn't affect any number. So I can write t plus 18 and t minus 18 equal to 0. Both we have t equal to 0 now. First one, if t plus 18 equal to 0 means t is equal to minus 18. So we cannot take the negative values, so that is not possible. You can take second number. 1 minute. So one is plus 18, the another one is minus 14. Write it carefully. Now t is minus 18 is not possible because time cannot be taken in the negative way. Next term, t minus 14 is equal to 0. T minus 14 is equal to 0. Minus 14, take it to other side, it will become a plus 14. So t is equal to 14 is your correct answer. That's what they are asking. Find t. Look at the next question, the second question. Find a natural number whose square diminished by 84 is equal to thrice of 8 more than the given number. So let us assume the number is x. So we have to assume the number. So let the number be x, we can write it. First step. Next one, find the natural number whose square is diminished by 84. While you are squaring, diminished not decreased, that is a meaning. When you are decreasing by 84, that is equal to thrice of 8 more than the given number. Thrice of means 3 times. Thrice of 8 more than. So that is plus 8 we have to take. So thrice of 8 more than the given number. So 3 times of 8 more than the given number, that is 3 times of x plus 8. You should put the bracket. Then we need to solve this. X squared minus 84. The 3 we have to take it inside. 3 into x, 3x. 3 8s are 24. So write it. Bring all the term to the same side. So x squared minus 84 plus 3x if you bring it to this side, minus 3x. Plus 24 if you bring it to that side, minus 24 equal to 0. Now this is x squared only one term. X is also 3x only one term. These two we can add, minus 84 minus 24. So minus 108 we are getting, which is equal to 0. Now we have to factorize them to get your x value. So 1 into 108 minus 108 we need it. So we need to find the two factors. 12 nines are 108. If you are able to find directly, we can go for it. Otherwise, we can go for the factorization formula. So one of the numbers should get the minus sign in order to get your minus 108. So look at the center number. Center number need minus sign. So give the minus for the big number plus for the small number. The first number is 1. So we can write the 1. No, nothing will happen while you are dividing by 1. So you can write it directly. X minus 12. X plus 9 equal to 0. So x minus 12 equal to 0 we have to do, and x plus 9 also equal to 0. So both the terms we are equating 0. Minus 12 will become plus 12. Plus 9 will become minus 9 here. They have mentioned in our question very carefully. It's a natural number. So 12 is a natural number is your correct answer. So this is a negative number, that is not possible because it's not a natural number itself. So here we have to write it not possible. So what is your x value? 12 is your correct answer. Look at the third question. Like this question you can expect in your examination. A natural number. Let us take a natural number is x first. Let us assume the given number is x. Assume a natural number is x. So you can write it completely x. Don't write the short form in your exam. Now when the natural number is increased by 12, that means when you are adding 12 with the natural number, that is equal to 160 times its reciprocal. So 160 times means multiplication. Reciprocal means 1 by x you should write. Now find the number they are asking. Now very simple. Now this is a division x. If you bring it to that side, that will become multiplication. So x into x plus 12 equal to 160 into 1 will be 160. Now we can write it. X into x is x squared. 12 into x is 12x, which is equal to 160. So bring the x we have multiplied inside with both the terms. Now plus 160 take it to that side, that is a minus 160. So x squared plus 12x minus 160 is equal to 0. Now again 1 into 160, 160. So minus 160 is required. We need to find the two factors to get your 12. So here 8 2s are 16, we know that. So 8 into 20, if you multiple, definitely 160 will come. While you are subtracting 12 also you will get, but I need plus 12. So give the plus sign to the big number, minus to the small number. First number is 1, so nothing will happen while you are dividing with the 1. So you can write it x minus 8 and x plus 20. And both we have to equal to 0 now. So first term x minus 8, if you are equating to 0, minus 8 will become plus 8 when you are taking to that side. Same way x plus 20 if we equal to 0, minus 20 will plus 20 will become minus 20 if we take it to other side. So this is not possible because it's a negative value. In our question they have mentioned very clearly that is a natural number. So x is equal to 8 is a correct answer. So this is how you have to do. If in your exam, if you are not able to find the factors, which two numbers are giving the multiplication means, you can go for the formula, that is minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac by 2a. This you can apply, you can get it. See here for this problem. So 1x squared plus 12x minus 160. After getting this, here the a value is 1. B value is 12, C value is minus 160. Let's apply now. We'll see whether we are getting the same answer or not. So minus B, so minus 12 plus or minus root of B squared, that is 12 squared minus 4 into A into C value. If minus is given, you just take along with the minus sign. So minus 160 should be taken by 2A. Now minus 12 plus or minus root of 12 squared, 12 12s are 144. This minus will become plus. So 160 into 4 actually, 16 4s are, we can go for it. So 64 and 10 is available, so 640. By 2 into A value is 1 in the question. Now this 2 we have to add now. Again, so minus 12 plus or minus root of, so 640 plus 144 if you are at 784 by 2 into 1 2. Children, try to learn up to 20 square, that will help you to do it in your exam. Here the last number is 4. I am just telling a small shortcut here. Go for the long division method, that is 7, 8, 4. If I want get the root value. From the last you take 2 number as a pair. So the first 2 number will go as a pair. So here single number is 0. No issues, you take as it is. Before the 7, what is the perfect square is available now? 4. So 2 2s are 4. Again 3. You can take the next number. Then we can go for the multiplication of 2. Further procedure will go in this way, but you no need to do all these things. Just to know the first number. So the answer is started with the 2. So that should be a 2-digit number. It started with the 2. The last number is 4 is mentioned. So that should be either 22 into 22 or 28 into 28, because 8 8s are will come in 4. So that's why I am selecting with 28. If I am multiplying 28 and 28, it's land with the value 784. So definitely I can say that this is the value of 28. So minus 12 plus or minus 28 by 2 we are getting. So we can take two values now. One is minus 12 plus 28 by 2. The another value is minus 12 minus 28 by 2. So 1 is plus 1 is minus. Now we have to subtract them. So we are subtracting 16 by 2 is one answer. Here 0, 4. Minus 40 by 2 is another answer. So this 8 comma minus 20. The same thing we got here also. 8 comma minus 20. So anyway we can come to the same solution. Again here also the negative number is not possible. So this is not possible. You can write it. So definitely x value should be 8. That is your correct answer. If you feel the video is useful to you, please share it with your friends. Subscribe our channel for more videos.